Boy, send it! What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We have made it to Cars and Coffee, and the Subi sounds sick. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing awesome. We have made it to Roanoke Valley Cars and Coffee this morning, and we rolling deep with the Subis. Hell yeah. Check out the new banner, all nice and installed. Car is dirty as shit, covered in pollen. I sprayed it off this morning, but I like the stealth look though. Hot. Pop over here to the busiest car so far, this R33 GTR. Beautiful RB26, still twin turboed, and clean NK wheels. The gold Brembos looks really nice with the silver. Recaro for the driver, stock for the passenger. You know, keep them nice and comfy while you throw them around. I like the R33. It's the unsung hero of the JDM world because everybody hates the big body Maxima. Nobody's gonna notice day 3, and you're not a Subaru, you're a Veloster. I like the front mount intercooler though with the little angry man dude on there. That's pretty dope. Here's a hatch I pulled up. I got to own a hatch one day. Clean setup. Got the bagged STI. Big lip. Solid fitment with the Autohans. Big giant Battle Arrow wing. Oh, give them a follow. Hell yeah, Battle Arrow diffuser and big giant wing. Big single exit. I like it. Here we are. You know what's up with this girl. It's chilly this morning. Ready for the spring weather. Got the stock VA, the Maserati, the baby Ferrari, the budget Ferrari, whatever you call it. It ain't in my budget. I like this interior though. The white cream with this blue. SS with some ZZP goodies.
Showed up like right at 8 o'clock.
Okay, the Konegs. Back to the GTR. Now that it's not being occupied, we can get a little bit better look. RB26. I like the color of the valve cover. It's sick. But, you know, you got the HKS intakes. Gotta have those. I bet this thing sounds sick. It's gutted in the rear. What? I didn't understand on the first trip. Okay. Truck bros over there. I'll take the old Lightning for sure. Homie in the big truck over here. His tires balder and baby bottom. The tread's supposed to look like that. Not like that with the wire showing, homie. That's not cool. That shit ain't safe for no one, man. Man, y'all telling me y'all rather have a crossover SUV than something like this? I mean, really, dude, this is sexy. This color, got the 326. I mean, I'll take this over a crossover SUV any day. People, bring back the wagon. We want them. Hey, we got Justin's Evo 8 over here at the Graham lights. So, yeah, this thing is clean, dude. What's going on, buddy?
What's up, brother? How are you, man?
Doing good, man.
It's cold as hell.
Yes, it is. Way colder than I was expecting. That's Justin's Evo. Super sick. Hello, the wheel combo. The black with the white. Touch of red. The black Brembos, the black grays, the slotted rotors. Solid, dude. 10 out of 10. You got the Honda S2K. Parked over here next to the Trans Am. We already know which one I care about the most. Dude, the yellow S2K Corvette rolling out with the Trans Am. And then this dude's always cool to see. Old school DeVille. Big body for sure. Part next to the new Z. Says not a 400, because it's not the 400Z. It's just the Nissan Z. And this one has been stocked for 2 years now. Come on, brother. Put some wheels on there. Oh, I was talking shit, talking about it being in stock. I actually think homie put an exhaust on here. Yep. Still an exhaust. Maybe I have to get your fire up, see if it changes, see how it sounds with that exhaust change. These cars are pretty quiet from factory for sure. And a lot of people say you don't get no good sounds out of them until you change it in cats that are impossible to get to. But I don't know. Damn, you done took the top off. Bro, it's 30 degrees out here. Quit tripping. Put the top on. You cold like the rest of us. Hell yeah, you got the matching Honda Grom to the Mazda Miata. The turbo Mazda Miata at that. What? Okay. The white Vors. Mirror tint. Crazy. How you see through that? Okay. Yeah, I think it's dope they got the matching Grom though. I don't know why they wrote it here though. Cold as it is. Crazy. I try not to hate, but this is just like prime example of just because you can doesn't mean you should. Okay, got the Chevy SS with a massive supercharger. Take a look. Okay, boy, I bet this thing got all the torques. And it's sitting on the weld. Yeah, he trying to hook up with this thing. Big truck bro. Can't even park in a spot. About to take out the SS. Clean little Wrangler. Hasn't been shittily modified and covered in rhino liner. That's a thumbs up. Oh, got the yellow Hellcat. You know, homie's got that eat. I love the way they sound. Just riding down the road. Eat, eat. My gas mileage would be -5 miles to the gallon if I had something like this. Just riding around smacking the pedal. Eep, eep, eep. Wouldn't even be going fast, just be acting like an ass.
Oh, it's got eggs!
He's like, oh, little duck's like, y'all f around with my eggs, I'm gonna mess y'all up.
Like, oh, for eggs.
Yeah. Safe place to be, right next to the Testarossa, right? Old school V8. Thing was a pinnacle of performance back in the day. Take a look at the old school Rambler, the Rambler Rebler. Skirt. Sorry, I may have had like a brain thing happen right there. The Rambler Rebel. Hey, we got us a yellow clown shoe part next to this RT. Look how small it looks in comparison. Look, just a little thick. Ooh, can't even see it. Totally hidden. But I like the carbon hood. It's dope. Golf R, you know, all-wheel drive, because it's better when you do it on all fours. Hey, this is cool. Little Indian Scout. I don't know shit about motorcycles, but I love when they do the black exhaust. Just makes it look so sleek. Blah blah is a definition of a 50-footer. But I like to see them running in condition better than sitting stranded in somebody's backyard or in a junkyard. So shout out for them trying to keep it alive. Holy overspray, Batman. But I do like the carbon hood. That's a definite plus. And I just love this generation. It's my favorite. Damn, the truck loud as fuck. Straight drag car. Exhaust dump right behind the front wheel. Fuel cell. A giant bottle of nitrous and a parachute. You gave it a quick wipe down like I did, get rid of that pollen. I like it, dude. The black grill, it's a good touch. Got the quirky seats, because who needs something goosey when you're just trying to go fast? This Camaro ZL1 is sick. That's the carbon hood, but only the vents exposed. Big old lip. The best fitment I've ever seen on a muscle car. The red leather Recaros. Carbon spoiler. But dude, the fitment. Like I said, it's maybe the best fitment I've ever seen on a muscle car. It says it's loud. I bet it is. This right here. This is gorgeous. Millennium Jade 240. NKRPF 1s. Looks like the Z32 brake upgrade. Interior immaculate. This thing is a beauty. Big old giant freaking bazooka cannon out the back. Damn, this ain't your grandpa's Camaro. Might be grandpa driving it though with a 34-point turn. That IROC Z sounds disgusting. Oh, there he is. Open spot moved up over there next to us. He's getting ready to move the STI over there. That Tomei dude just sounds so good. Okay. Clean little Corolla on some Konags. We almost missed this little dude trying to sneak in. What's up? The thing's clean, the Evo 10, hell yeah. It's the MR too. Big single exit. Homie got moved over here. We got the new Subi lineup. The hatch left and we replaced it with the VA STI. We also caught up with this dude too. Talked to him a bit. He's got the Mishimoto front mount intercooler, upgraded GX 3570, I think is what he said. Anyway, he says it's capable of like 657. His turn down right now because he's getting ready to do fuel in and all that other to get it ready. But the bag STI fast. Yeah, he's here still on stock turbo, but I convinced him. He got the black rim speed intercooler. It looks so good with the white, the bronze wheels. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here influencing people. Not really. He was already talking about it. But we know he's badass. Sitting on some American-made forged wheels. Beautiful LS. Some aftermarket valve covers. Holley intake. Not one, but two fat spoilie boys. Fender exit on each side. Okay. Quirky seats, quick release steering wheel, trans brake. You know, just a whole ass race car. Fuel cell. He took the parachute off. I feel you, bro. Can't be letting everybody know your business. Southeast Street and yeet. I hear you, brother. But this thing to yeeting down the street. Well, we just caught up with the homie. Got a little details on this. But this is a Pandem wide body kit, and these are Pandem 6666 wheels. So, homie dropping bread on the BRZ. And he's gonna have a paint match, and he's gonna get his BRZ sticker back down the side. It's gonna be a solid build, man. Corvette C8 Z06 carbon. Okay. There's that 5.5 liter flat plane crank. Disgusting sounding. All the carbon down the side. Got the carbon splitter and canards. Like, no offense to the base model, but the Z06, that's how it should have been done. And the Z01 is coming out. That's just ungodly. GTI boys love their pops and bang tunes, don't they? Oh, take a look at this cool little thing that snuck in here on me. It's a 32. Didn't know that till 3 seconds ago when he said it. But it is gorgeous. All the grandpas over here checking this thing out. Even nearly 100 years later, it's sexy. Okay, so we got a straight up race car of a Viper. Somebody using this thing what it was meant for. Big giant splitter that's actually attached properly. As you see, they have things that go back attached to something solid. Light OZ wheels, freaking Momo bucket seat and steering wheel. God, dude, this thing is sick. Big giant carbon wing. Okay, yeah, doubted. Somebody doubted you, and they pissed you off, and I see what you did, sir. Okay, they fired up that twin turbo El Camino with the LS. Don't gotta walk around back to get the exhaust right there. I smell the corn. God damn. Got the DGM moving over here next to us. We're gonna have the whole Subi squad over here before long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 running Subis. I've only seen 2 running Evos today. What's that say? Yeah, nothing. The Subaru is easier to get. They're trying to get the blah by over there. We done had another little wagon pull up. Like I said, we got the Subi gang today. We gotta watch them air it out. Down she goes. There's that damn race car Viper. The R33, since we can't get the cold start. What's up, buddy? I love the car, man. It's the sound of the JDM world. It's the sound we all love. Oh, the boxer rumble. Well, Mama Duck is back, getting ready to go tender her eggs, and we're gonna get ready to roll out. This hatch come from? This ain't the guy from the thing. You on that Cars and Coffee? Where are you at, buddy? I like that little hatchback STI you got there. It's clean. Look like you got a front mount on it too. Shit, okay. I smell the elote on that STI. Homie running corn. Sounds, hell yeah, sounds good.
Right?
What all you got done to it?
Quite a bit. It's got a NVIDIA 400 exhaust, a titanium tip.
Yeah.
And then full E85.
I can smell it.
Yeah.
Hey.
It's pushing about 750 though.
Shit.
Yeah.
Damn.
Fun, man.
Damn, I'm pushing like 4.
Hell yeah.
Got like a Cobb 20G, nothing crazy.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
Dude.
I got 64 millimeters under here.
Boy, send it. With him a little bit. Woo! God damn, that sounds so good. Hell yeah. Woo! Hell yeah, baby. Hey, she might be only 400 horses, but when you spinning, you ain't winning. And I stuck with that 700 horsepower STI with a 64mm turbo for a hot second before she started connecting and pulled off, obviously. But I mean, dude, I'm hella proud of the little girl right here. Deja did the work today. I did not expect to keep up with him at all from the line. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm heading home. Adrenaline's pumping. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to the channel. And until next time, guys, peace.